Hello friends, welcome back to my channel A Bong's Lifestyle. The biggest festival of Bengalis, the Durga Puja have started and yesterday it was Shasti. Though due to Corona this year the festivities are dim, but we Bengalis know how to celebrate our auspicious occasions. So here I am giving you a glimpse of what went on our kitchen yesterday and how we celebrated Shasti through Pet Puja. So let's get started. Friends, for more such interesting recipes and vlogs, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon beside. If you like my content, please like the video and share it. Till then, be happy, stay healthy. Bye bye everyone, and spend your Durga Puja very well.